In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Autoresponder. Out of Office in Outlook, an autoresponder lets people know you are away and when you'll be back, so they aren't left wondering why you haven't replied. We'll cover both classic Outlook for Windows and the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. A quick way to tell which you are using. Classic Outlook has a File tab in the top left corner. The new Outlook and the web version use a gear icon for settings. If you are in Classic Outlook on Windows, begin by opening Outlook and going to the File tab. On the Info page, choose Automatic Replies. In the window that opens, select Send Automatic Replies. If you know the exact dates you'll be out, set the time range so Outlook turns your reply on and off automatically. Then, type the message you want people to receive while you are away. Keep it clear and friendly. It helps to include the dates you are out and, if appropriate, a general point of contact or when you'll respond. If you skip the time range, the autoresponder will stay on until you return and turn it off. So setting dates is a helpful safeguard. For the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, the process is almost identical. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Choose Mail, then select Automatic Replies. Toggle Turn on Automatic Replies. Set your time range if you want it to start and stop on a schedule, and then type your message. The wording you use here can be the same as in Classic Outlook. Brief, polite, and informative. Once enabled, Outlook will handle the replies for you within the time you've set. A few quick tips to make your message work harder for you. Be concise, avoid including any sensitive information, and make sure your dates are accurate. If your schedule changes, simply return to the same place and update the time range or your message. Also, remember that time zones matter. Set the range according to the time zone your Outlook is using to avoid unexpected start or end times. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.